This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Ann Davis. Oceanside 2-unit condo ready for summer occupancy. Very desirable floor plan with primary on third floor. Convenience of elevator. Oversized yard with outstanding space for entertaining. Covered porch off second floor with southern exposure. Third floor balcony to enjoy ocean views and breezes. Beautiful outdoor spaces on ground level A and D2 and D floor. Versatile floor plan to add an extra sitting area and kitchen area. Gas fireplace. Family area is beamed 2-story. Garage plus 2 outside parking spaces. Gated entrance. Generator. Outdoor shower. Hardwood on second A and D3 or D floors. No condo fees. Even a traffic light at Atlantic Avenue. Beach with privacy. For more information, review the details below or contact Ann Davis at 757-422-2200.